Hey guys, Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a nice brand new Sea Ray. This is a 2019 21 SPX. I want to do a quick walkthrough video, show you guys some of the great features about this boat. I'm at the bow right now. It's really spacious design. It's got room for 2 to 3 people, storage under both of these seats here. Really just a great design with tons of space for it being a 21-foot boat. As we make our way back on the port side here, nice oversized compartment that's finished out and carpeted with your woven flooring that you can see in there. That flooring snaps out and stows away for easy cleaning. Nice on the feet. You've got a nice glove box over here, perfect for wallets, cell phone, keys, things like that. It's very spacious. And this boat's optioned with the double captain's design. So you've got 2 captain's chairs, both with flip-up bolsters to get you elevated when you're pulling a rider. They both swivel and slide. As we look at the helm here, we've got the optional touchscreen display from Simrad. It's a GPS, fish finder, and chart plotter all in one. Everything will be right there at your fingertips. Nice stainless steel gauges, Fusion audio, head unit with Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary. All the creature comforts that you would expect, tilt steering, things to make the captain of the boat very comfortable, very safe when you're pulling water sports and stuff, which this boat also has the optional water sports tower with a nice bimini on it. You can pull tubes, ski, wakeboard, etc., all from that tow point up top. Very safe, nice elevated. As we make our way back, you'll notice every seat base in a Sea Ray has ample storage, so plenty of room for all those extra things that come when you're on a boat, coolers and snacks and life jackets, things like that. There's a removable cooler under this seat on this side. There's an insulated cooler that drains into the bilge of the boat here. More storage under that seat there and in the walkthrough here. Another unique feature about this 21-foot boat is that it's got a flip-up rear-facing backrest, so you can lay back there and hang out at the back of the boat when people are in the water, swimming, hanging out. And then underneath of that, the 4.5-liter V6, 250 horsepower from your cruiser. You got storage over there on that side. Everything's very nice and easily accessible, easy to maintain. Great performing boat, and a nice comfortable sea deck on the back of the boat too. This has been a quick walkthrough of a 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX here at MarineMax of Houston. My name's Steven Smith. Come see us today.